guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. As you can see, we have the palace of lights in here. So what we did was open this window, and then we used the fork, well, the great awl, which is not in sight probably. And then we lifted the lights up in a wooden box, a couple of loads, and we brought all these lights up. So I think there's, I don't know, that's at least 50 or something. So, and then about 40 of these lights. These are the kitchen lights, smoke detectors. These are just every living room and bedroom, and then all the light bulbs. So I did a bunch of that, loading and unloading, taking out the garbage, and then passing out the rooms. So that's around the corner, a few rooms, so I'll go over there real quick. But it's just a pretty easy day, nothing too special. Trimmed out some stuff, toned out some more kitchens, put some plugs in. As you can see, we got the stuff on the ground passed out. Got the plugs for the plugs, got the thermostat for the thermostat, switch for the switch, bathroom fan, or not bathroom fan, but the bedroom fan for this right here. We got the lights unboxed, so I did a bunch of unboxing, stuff like that, getting the light bulbs in there, getting those all ready to go. Just passing out everything. So that's what I did for most of the day, and yeah, so nothing special to talk about. But you guys seem to like the videos where I put the title "Today as an Electrician," so you guys pretty much don't like to watch the other types of videos that I upload, which is sad, because I put a lot of work into the other videos as well. So anyways, so I'll probably be trimming out the next couple of days, or tomorrow's Friday, so be trimming out tomorrow, hanging lights and putting plugs in and stuff like that. So expect to see that probably, unless you guys have something else you want to see. Anyways, so hopefully you don't mind just the videos at the end of the day. It's super easy, you don't mind it at all, but that seems to be what you guys want to be watching, or that's what you guys click on. So anyways guys, I'd like to teach you guys stuff, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you want to learn stuff, or if you just want to see what I've been doing. Seems like people just want to see what I've been doing. No one really leaves comments anymore, but I appreciate those who do and give me the likes. Appreciate it. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you later tomorrow. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new, or if you just want to support me and say thanks for the video. And I will be shaving my beard at 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to subscribe, it's free. So see you guys later. Peace out. Alright, so if I didn't make this clear, big shout out to everyone that stops by daily. I appreciate it, but also appreciate those who subscribe and stay by to just watch the videos that they like. There's nothing wrong with that, but appreciate everyone that especially watches all the videos. You guys are awesome. So anyways, I will see you guys later, but one more thing. I pride myself in being an honest man.